Ah! 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 Oh! Stupid bacon! Hey! Go! Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, eat that. Eat that. Eat it. Gloves off. Korean street food inspired ham and cheese toast. Ooh. Korean inspired street food. Mm. Okay. It's gonna be messy. That was interesting. Here we go again. Mmm. 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 Wow. I think this beats Grandma's toast. I really do. There's more saltiness. There's more sweetiness. Let's take another bite. And you're not getting the taste of cabbage. Mmm. Oh. Don't choke on it. Mmm. I really like that. Mmm. There, grab a piece of ham. It's like a sloppy Joe. We've said this before. It's like a sloppy Joe. Mm. Wow. I am getting the heat from Mike's honey. It's not strong, but it's there. I like that. It's unexpected. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. Korean street food inspired ham and cheese toast. Wow. Wow. Mmm. I scored the ham. You saw that we used ham steaks. The ham steaks were pretty thick. So by scoring them, it just makes them break apart in your mouth when you take a bite. All right, last bite. Last bite. Let's do it. Mmm. 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 You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.